The VP6 extension identifies an On2 TrueMotion VP6 video file containing video encoded with On2's VP6 codec, commonly used in Flash video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play or convert these video files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the VP6 format. Details below. VP6 files contain video encoded with On2 Technologies TrueMotion VP6, codec widely used in Adobe Flash video FLV files and some video game engines. VP6 provided efficient video compression with alpha channel support, making it popular for web video and game cinematics. VP6 video uses a proprietary lossy compression algorithm, supporting both standard 2-pass encoding and alpha channel transparency. It was the default codec for Flash video before H.264 adoption, and is found in many early web videos and game data archives. The core professional tool for handling the VP6 format is On2 TrueMotion VP6 from Google, formerly On2 Technologies. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows provides a simple playback experience, while editing workflows demand advanced tools. To open this specific VP6 file, right-click your file and select Open With. If On2 TrueMotion VP6 is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your VP6 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, playing the file. Open VP6 video files in VLC Media Player, which includes VP6 codec support. If the file is embedded in an FLV container, rename to FLV and open in VLC. FFplay from the FFmpeg suite also provides reliable VP6 video playback across all platforms. Next, converting to MP4. Use FFmpeg to convert VP6 files to modern MP4 format by running FFmpeg, input, VP6, CLV libs264, CAAAC output, MP4 in the command line. For VP6 with alpha channel export to WebM with VP9 codec to preserve transparency in the converted output. Finally, legacy context. VP6 was acquired by Google through On2 Technologies, and its successor, VP8, VP9 became the basis for WebM format. VP6 files encountered today are typically from legacy Flash content or older game engines. Convert to modern formats for long-term preservation and compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.